Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I'm about to install a set of loose crochets on my freshly silk pressed hair, and I really don't want to do it because this is my first successful silk press since I've been transitioning my damaged hair back to its healthy state. So instead of big chopping for the third time, I decided to grow and cut. And the way I'm doing that is using my growth products from my hair care line. And when I receive about 1 inch or 1.5 inches of new growth, then I will cut close to about that same amount of the damaged hair at the end. So just by looking at it, it don't look like my hair has grown any. But when I show my before picture, you can truly see a difference in my growth since April. And I got about 1 more cut to go, but I promise you I'm not in a hurry. I'm all about truly taking my time. My main focus is on protecting my ends. And as you can see that they are pretty straight and healthy for the most. So the loose crochet hair that I'll be using is Bobbi Boss 3X Brazilian Deep Curl 20 inch, and it is in the number 1. So I went ahead and cut and sped up, me parting and braiding down my hair, but you can clearly see the braid pattern once I'm done. If you'd like to see it in detail, then let me know and I'll make another video showing you guys. But for this one, it caused the video to be a little longer, and I am adding a small piece of braiding hair along with my hair just to make my base secure, because for some reason when I am braiding my own hair down in cornrows and adding crochets, the hair tends to be very loose. And although this set is not tight, it just helps me create a secure base. And as you can see by looking at the back, you'll be able to tell in just a minute that they are not tight at all. And I just took that last braid and sewed it in between one of the other ones. So with this hair being 20 inches, I did cut it in half, and I still got a pretty good length. So if you're the type of person that don't like very long crochets and you know that you have a pretty good length, then cut it in half and you will be a little past shoulder length at the bottom and about ear length at the top. So when adding mines, I always pinch a little small piece of hair. I know some of you like to grab big pieces, but for some reason mines tend to unravel. But basically because I do the old method, which consists in applying the crochet and putting it in about 3 or 4 knots. But that is mainly on the crochets with the tight curls. But for the ones with the loose curls like these, then I knot it about 6 times, I'm gonna be honest. And don't you know a couple of them still try to unravel? I never did the invisible knot crochets or whatever you call them, because it seems like it's too much work. But then again, it may not be. I just be in a hurry and just be trying to throw mines in there. And I literally mean throwing mines in there for real. Like I stated in one of my other videos, when I used to braid hair before retiring, I made sure that all of my client styles were very neat. And if I got done with the whole entire head, saw one flaw, I don't care how tired they were, and I don't care how tired I was. I was taking that one down no matter how long it was, and I was redoing it all over again. But I never cared like that about my own hair, and somehow it still tends to come out looking very good. And I promise you, I don't even be trying. But I'm about to turn the volume up on this music. But before I go, let me explain my braid pattern in the front. So if you notice that they are not straight, but they are curvy, and that is because I hate straight lines. So whenever the hair falls, it falls differently to me. I can't quite explain it, but it do what I need it to do. That's just like with box braids. I cannot do straight parts in the front. They have to be brick layer on the first 2 or 3 rows. Then I don't care how straight them parts be after that. Because whenever I pull my hair up in a ponytail, I don't want to see straight lines going to the back. I know everyone is different, but I just can't stand to see that. And that is why my cornrows are a little curved on my crochets. And I promise you that they look very neat when I pull them up. So this is my hair a week later, and as you can tell that I cut it. I cut it in a little semi asymmetrical bob, and by me cutting it myself, I did the best that I could. So if you see when I turn around that it's uneven, then it's okay, because it is crochets, and all I have to do is just tuck it like this and push it underneath and make them fall in between each other. But overall, this hair is very, very pretty. I love loose, wavy hair. And I have been using my growth products in my hair, so that is why you see this much new growth. But I will be leaving this style up for at least another week. I'm gonna try to stretch it to 2 weeks, but I really doubt that I will be keeping it up that long, because I want to be able to do another style and post another video for you guys. This is the Bobbi Boss Brazilian Loose Deep Curl in the 20 inches, and it says 3 times, which is 3 in a pack. And it is the color number 1. This is what I had left over, and I used 2 packs. So in all, I used 5 of the pieces, and I cut them in half. Only reason why I used that much is because I love to make my crochets very full and very demure, very mindful. You can flip this hair. As a matter of fact, show y'all. I have to look over here because the mirror is over here. So you can flip this hair any way you want to. Now hair, don't you start showing that on me now. Make me look like I'm lying to the people. If I work with it and tease it a little bit, I can make it lay down a little bit more. But yeah, you can wear it over to this side as well. You can flip it to the back and wear it with no part. The hair does tangle a little bit. You are going to get some uneven pieces whenever you are wearing it in a certain style. All you have to do is take that piece and just wrap it around. Just wrap it around. But yeah, so yeah, I really like the part on this side the most, but I can also flip some more over here if I wanted to, like that, if I want to. But if you do choose to get this hair and it tends to tangle up after a few weeks, you can go through it and cut the tangle part off, and it still should be able to give you a cute style, just to keep you a few more days or so, or at least another week. And I forgot to mention that I bought this hair from Memphis. So I was going to the store to buy another type of hair, and I decided to walk over to the clearance section, and this hair was $11.99 marked down to $3.99, and I bought some more crochet hair that was $1. And whenever I do get hair on clearance, I just like to try it out and see how it does. I did pull it up on YouTube to see if other people have tried this hair before, and they did. And it's not many videos, so I said, why not give it a try? Let me post and let you guys see how it looks in this type of style. And I didn't see anybody cut theirs in a asymmetrical bob. If you don't see this hair in the beauty supply store, then they may have it on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, be sure to click that notification button to where you'll be the first to see my next upcoming videos. You guys have a blessed one.